Hello everybody and welcome to the 2020 installment of my Powerpuff Girls VHS and DVD collection. Whew. Yes, as you can hear it's raining outside right now, and it is thundering. But let's not ramble on about this. And we'll start off with this stack. Now, there are like 4 stacks, but one of them's not really a stack, one of them's a DVD box set. So let's start it with the 2000 Bubble Vicious tape. This is my thrift store copy. The only thrift store Powerpuff Girls tape I have. Here's Monkey See Doggy Do. Oh, dropped it. Here's what the tape looks like. I'm just kind of zipping through these. Dream Scheme. I think this is yes, this is the Canadian copy. Ugh. Sorry about this thunderstorm. It's not really quiet right now, so I don't know why I'm shooting this video. But anyway. Birthday Bash. Amazon purchase. I forgot to show the side of Dream Scheme and the back. Or did I? I don't remember now. And there's what the VHS tape looks like. It's got these generic Warner Brothers ink labels. Boogie Frights. Clamshell ink label tape, and here it comes. Whew. Twisted Sister. I actually have a... And here's the tape. Good time to catch some thunderstorms on video. I mean, gosh. How much worse could it get? Anyway. I actually have another Dream Scheme, Boogie Frights, and Bubble Vicious, as you can see. That's... Well, 2 of them are unique and one of them's the same as the other. Here's Meet the Beatles. And there's what the tape looks like. And the theatrical release, the Powerpuff Girls movie. Still have not gotten the slipcase version to that, but I know there's an Avon copy, but I'll try to get my hands on that one day. And no, we're not using the Powerpuff Girls movie to demonstrate video quality, the VCR Fan 2001. If you're watching this. And the last tape ever released, 'Twas the Fight Before Christmas. I shouldn't be showing that one, but it's part of the collection. So, anyway, we have Bubble Vicious. Another copy of that, but it's the screener VHS. You can tell because of the full-length screening cassette things. For trade use only, not for sale or rental or public exhibition on the side. And the back is kind of different. Had to change the reels in that one because the original reels that I got this in were yellowed. I don't really like yellowed plastic. Looks nasty. Dream Scheme. Another one of those, but the slip cover and it's the American ink label. Got that brand new off Amazon with my birthday money. And the last special release, Boogie Frights. Another copy, but it's a sticker label variant. Not only is it in the slipcover, I don't know which one's rarer, the demo VHS of Bubble Vicious or the sticker labeled Boogie Frights. But anyway, now we're on to the DVDs. Powerpuff Bluff. Down and Dirty, probably running in the worst DVD quality ever. I think they have the worst quality ever because they're pretty old. Because the DVDs are pretty old, and so is the show, for a fact. The main event. I forgot to show you the episode selection is in all those DVDs, which, let me check if Down and Dirty has the same thing. Yep, it does have it. And I assume the same goes for Powerpuff Bluff. Please don't comment, and please don't correct me in these. It's been a while since I've checked these DVDs. And yes, they all do. And finally, Meet the Beatles, which has 2 more episodes in there. Which I think, and the only episodes that are missing from the VHS counterpart are the Equal Fights and Butter Crush. And finally, the actual entire collection. The Powerpuff Girls Complete Anniversary Set. The 10th Anniversary Collection, the Complete Series Set. I'm not going to bother pulling those out, because they're flip discs. So yeah, we got all 6 seasons. So yeah. Yeah. There's the entire collection. You probably can't see the Powerpuff Girls movie or 'Twas the Fight Before Christmas or Bubble Vicious under there. But there they are. Yeah, that is the entire collection video. Will it grow? I don't really know. Trying to find some screener VHSs, because the only one I have is Bubble Vicious. Still need to get the sticker labeled Twisted Sister. That's kind of rare to come across, so I'll try to get those. Try to get the rest of the screener VHSs and the rest of the DVDs. So, yeah. See you guys later.